Well, wouldn't you love to cut your mortgage payments? Most of us have a mortgage in life, and there's programs out there now that you could cut your payments, almost 50% or more, and there's, not just one program, there's really dozens of them, but people don't know about them because they're not advertised. So you go on the web. Okay, let's go on the web now. I'll show you what I found. You put in, cut your mortgage payments. Okay, look at this. 16 million websites. You're not going to find what the heck you need there, right? I mean, it's just all this stuff, people trying to sell you money. All you do, you want to know anything about your mortgage, now rates are going up again, so you may want to lock in a low rate or whatever, review what you have, see what kind of more programs there are. The government has new programs now to help you get lower mortgages, after this 2008 fiasco that happened in this country. There's all this kind of help, but you have to know about the programs, and don't trust, money salesmen, people out there selling mortgages, are making money off you. So they're very biased. You just call this 800 number. This 800 number is terrific. It'll walk you through all the programs available, help you with your, right over the phone. Yeah, it's usually you get right through, and even if you can't, so you call back in a few minutes. Man, there's nothing going to be better and more profitable for you to do if you have a mortgage is to call this number and get the facts. Now, I call the number. Now, I'll show you a video. Well, actually, it's an audio of a still of me, how I do it right here on my kitchen table. I did it a couple days ago where I called for help to see if my sister could get help with a new mortgage. And listen what they said. This is me calling them.
Thank you for calling the Homeowners Hotline. My name is Pam. Can I please have your name?
Matthew Lesko, Pam.
Thank you. And Mr. Lesko, how did you hear about... Oh, I'm sorry.
Well, I found on the web somewhere, and I'm trying to help my sister who's, she's had a place for about 10, 15 years, and I think she's having trouble with her mortgage now, and it seems like you guys help with that?
Yes, sir. What we actually can do for her is we can most certainly see if she actually may be eligible for a modification or refinance under the President Obama's Making Home Affordable program. We can also... Our certified counselors are at certified counseling agencies where they can help her with the application process, and they can assist her with working with the mortgage company all at no charge to her.
So in other words, if you could look up the available programs now that help people that are in trouble with their mortgages and to see if she qualifies, is that it?
Yes, we most certainly can see if she actually may be eligible for something under the program.
Yeah. Right, and then there's somebody else you direct her to who's no charge to help them renegotiate with the bank even. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, that's exactly what I said, sir. Our certified counselors would help her with the application process for this program, and they can help her work with the mortgage company so she won't have to do it alone.
Oh, wonderful. Oh, then I don't have to help her. Then you can. Right.
We'd be happy to do what we can do to help her.
Because she'll make me do it, so if I could find you to do it. I'm just trying to help her find out, because I heard about services like this, and it usually falls to me, in the family of helping people out of trouble. But, boy, you're going to know more than I'm going to know, so to help her out of this situation.
Oh, so, definitely. Our services, I'm so sorry. Just so you know, our services are completely free, so it won't cost her anything for us to see what we can do to help her.
Wonderful. So who pays for you then? Is this a government program or something?
The Making Home Affordable program is actually President Obama's Making Home Affordable program to help get the housing market back on track.
I see.
We are affiliated with the federal government's plan for the Making Home Affordable program. We see what we can do to further assist the homeowners.
I see.
And then our certified counselors are at HUD certified counseling agencies. So they are certified.
Right. So in other words, it's better to check with you guys first instead of going to a bank who's going to sell me something, right?
Right, exactly. If you went through another third-party agency, one thing about if she should be possibly eligible for, let's say, the modification part of the program, which is for those who are current and struggling to stay current, or for those who are behind in the payments. Under the Making Home Affordable Modification Program, there is absolutely no fees involved with that part of the program. So
Wow.
if anybody tries to tell her, oh, well, we can get you that modification, we can do it, that's when you put the red flag up. Because
I see.
nobody
Right.
can guarantee you nobody can guarantee or even promise you a modification on your current loan.
Mm-hmm.
Only a mortgage company can actually do a modification on the current standing loan.
Uh-huh. I see.
But we're
And
here
so
to
you'll
take
make
care of
sure, yeah, that there's no fees in charge.
That's correct.
Right. So it's best to start with you guys than anybody else is going to sell me money, right?
Right. Well, we're not going to sell you anything. We're not even going to ask you for any money.
Oh, that's wonderful. See, and you don't even advertise on TV. I guess that's why. See, all these other people advertise on TV.
No, there is an advertisement on TV.
Oh, there is? Oh, cool.
There is, through President Obama, advising that the homeowners who are having trouble with either high interest rates or high monthly mortgage payments to give us a call here.
I see. Well, wonderful. Well, thank you so much for being there. You know, you're a great help. And I've got to get, not only for my sister, but for me, because I would be helping her. You're better at this than I am, so thank you so much.
You are welcome. And Mr. Lesko, we are here 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so please have her.
Wow, 24/7. Wonderful. Okay.
We'll be happy to see what
Great.
we can help her.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Thank you for calling 995. Hope I wish her the best.
Okay, bye now.
Bye, Mr. Lesko.
Now, wasn't she terrific? Man, see, they're not there to make money off you. These people are there to give you the facts, legitimate information about the program. So before you go shopping, if people out there are going to sell you something, you have to call this number. I mean, you're paying for these services. They're your tax dollars anyway, and they're there to help you. They're just not going to have the splashy commercials all over. So you make sure you know about them. That's why you have to take it upon yourself. So you don't use it. What the heck? But you got to get the information. It may be very valuable and you have nothing to lose. So it's just a few minutes on the phone. So call them now or hang up and call later or do whatever you want. But just call.